How to check Pi coin value. Hello everyone. As of February 20th, 2025, Pi coin has an official value on some of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges. I'll show you how to find the current value of Pi coin. Since there are several crypto exchanges where you can check it, I'll show you 3. The first one is the HTX app or website. Open this app or site. You don't need to create an account. Find the search icon, tap on it, and enter Pi in the search field. Perform the search. Pi coin is actually listed here as Pi USD. Click on it for more details. The current value is displayed as this large green number. Right now, the value is 72 cents. Let's check another exchange. Crypto.com is also one of the most well-known platforms. Open the website or app and enter Pi in the search field. Click on the Pi logo, and again, we get the same current value. The same applies to the Binance website. As you can see, Binance has not yet listed Pi for trading. They will probably do so after these significant price fluctuations. But also, the value is around 72 cents. And that's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more similar tutorials.